floor is yours.
Hey, well, thank you. Well, folks, you've already heard enough. I just have one simple question. That is this. Would you be open to the potential power of passive, perpetual, progressive profits? Again, the question is simple. Would you and are you open to the potential power? See, we can't give you any guarantees. There's always risk versus reward. But see, employee mindset people, they focus so much on the risk, they lose sight of the reward. Entrepreneurial and kingdompreneur folks, we focus so much on the risk, the reward rather, we're willing to deal with the risk. And so again, the potential power, again, no guarantees, as Casper said, but it's stacked in your favor though, right? So would you be open to the potential power of passive? Passive means hand-free. Passive means set it and forget it. Passive means, like when I first got started, 6.5 weeks went by, Carl Wilk called me and said, Doc, have you even looked in your back office? I said, I didn't even know I had a back office. What do you mean? And when he showed me how to log in, I was like, wait a minute, what are all these these entries? He said, man, that's the daily result of the mining operation. You're getting coins every single day. See, again, we're talking about the potential power, not just of passive, set it and forget it while you're busy doing whatever else you do. But get this now, but it's also perpetual. It's going to continue on, as he mentioned, for about 130 odd years. Man, I don't know about you. The potential power of passive, that's good enough. But passive and perpetual, oh my goodness. See, scripture says a good man leaveth inheritance to his children's children. And then it says house and riches are the inheritance of children. Excuse me, of fathers. So that means I'm supposed to leave a legacy. With TexitCoin, I can now do that. So each one of my children will have their own mine. So again, the question, are you open to the potential power of passive, perpetual, progressive? Now, when I say progressive, I mean, as Casper mentioned, when he first got started, it was about 50 cents or so. Now it's over $3.60 something cents or something like that. But it just keeps progressing. And we're talking about by February potentially being at $16 a coin. That is so powerful. And so, I mean, progressive, it progressively grows in value. So the mining is so powerful because it's producing coins daily, but those coins now grow in value. So again, are you open to the potential power of passive, perpetual, progressive profits? Now, I used to travel and speak, shared the platform with a guy named Jim Rohn, who was known as the foremost business philosopher. And he made this statement famous. He said, profits are better than wages. And my friend, I found that to be true. I used to be a college professor, one of those guys that would stand up there and totally promulgate my esoteric cogitations and articulate my superficial sentimentalities with amicable and philosophical, psychological observations. I mean, I thought I was educated, right? But somebody said, how'd you like to start making more money in a month? You make an entire year. And I'm thinking, man, I am not going back to college. 12 years of regular school plus 12 years of college. That's 24 years. I don't have time for another. They said, no, we'll mentor you. We'll make a long story short. They showed me with a program, not this program, but something like this, structured like this, where I started making more money in a month than I used to make an entire year. So, of course, I walked into my boss. I jokingly tell people it happened. Didn't quite happen like this, but I kind of embellished a little bit. But I said, hey, boss, I'm sorry, I can't work for you anymore here at the college. And Dr. Evans said, why? I said, well, because I got eye trouble. He said, eye trouble. I said, I can't see myself working for you anymore. Why? Because I found out that profits were better than wages. Now, I've gone on since then, and I've been paid as much as $1,000 per minute to speak. Now, that's amazing, but guess what? But I got to roll out to speak. With TexitCoin now, I can roll over, kiss my wife Nadia, my ABCD, adorable brown caramel delight, my ABCD, my angelic blessed chocolate delicacy. I can roll over, kiss her, and still getting paid. Why? Because we have right now about 28 of these miners these digital employees that work for us 24/7. Hey, they don't care what color you are. They don't care whether you're educated, uneducated. They don't care whether you're high class, middle class, low class, or no class. They say, look, we'll work for you 24/7. We'll never take a vacation. We'll never take a potty break. We're just going to work for you and produce more money. So again, coins must be minted. So do you just want coins, or do you want to own the minting that legally prints the coins? And of course you want the minting. So number one, coins must be minted. Number two, cash must be printed. Do you just want the cash, or do you want to own the printing press that legally prints the cash? And of course you want to own that legal printing press. Coins must be minted, number one. Number two, cash must be printed. But number three, crypto must be mined. Do you just want to own the crypto, the XRP, the Bitcoin, the TexitCoin, or do you want to own the mining, get this now, that produces it every single day? And of course, you want to. So get back to whoever invited you. Get the link and get started now. Why? Because, my friend, you'll be glad you did, and we'll be glad to have you. And you'll be on this journey with us, experiencing the potential power of passive, perpetual, progressive profits that produce breakthroughs. Hey, we'll see you at the top or from the top. The choice is up to you, because we already made ours. Get back to whoever invited you and get started now, because it's the start that stops most people. Don't let the start stop you. Get started when? Now.
Today, now, right now. Right now, man, I tell you what, I get excited, even more excited when I listen to you, but I get excited just thinking about the potential
Come on.
of what we have. It's just, it boggles my mind and stuff. So when I talk to people that are hesitant or just, I don't know, you don't know? What? How could you not know? You know?